The Iridescence of Birds, a book about Henri Matisse by Patricia Maclachlan and pictures by Hadley Hooper. If you were a boy named Henri Matisse who lived in a dreary town in northern France where the skies were gray and the days were cold, and you wanted color and light and sun, and your mother, to brighten your days, painted plates to hang on the walls with pictures of meadows and trees, rivers and birds. And she let you mix the colors of paint. Yellow and red, red and blue, blue and yellow. And let you arrange the fruit and flowers she brought from the market. Pears and oranges in a bowl on a tablecloth, and flowers in a blue vase. And in the town, people wove silks with colors, all tangled, one color next to the other, next to the other. And your mother put red rugs on the walls of the house and on the dirt parlor floor, so all the world looked red. And you raised pigeons, watching their sharp eyes and red feet, and their colors that changed with the light as they moved, that your mother called iridescence. Would it be a surprise that you grew up to be a fine painter who painted red rooms and flowers that danced on green stems and fruit in a bowl on a blue and white tablecloth? Would it be a surprise that you became a fine painter who painted light and movement? And the iridescence of birds.